Sit down on your mat. Straighten your legs. Straighten your back. Look forward. Feel your weight on your both sitting bones equally. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Feel how your chest expand and relax. Bend your right knee and place your foot across your left one. Bend your left knee and place your heel next to your right sitting bone. Hold your right tight. Place your right arm parallel with floor. Inhale, and with exhale, place your hand on the floor behind you. Look over your right shoulder. Bring your awareness between your shoulder blades. With inhale, straighten your spine a little bit more. And with exhale, look over your right shoulder a little bit more. Inhale. And with exhale, look forward. Place your right heel next to your left hip. Straighten your back. Place your arms parallel with floor. Bend your elbows, palms facing each other, and cross your right arm around your left one, palms together. Direct your fingers to the sky, elbows parallel with floor. Breathe normally. Stay in the pose a few breaths.